Have you at any point felt like you're seeing, quite possibly, of the greatest mechanical transformation ever? Furthermore, have you at any point thought about what wild thoughts fuel these monstrous jumps forward? What precisely did Elon Musk achieve in 2024? Yet again, and how could he rethink the limits of innovation? We should rewind and jump into the historic occasions that characterized this year. In 2024, Elon Musk brought mankind closer than at any other time to arriving at Mars. SpaceX's previously automated mission to Mars was a distinct advantage. How about this be the most important move toward human existence on another planet? With this mission, Musk's fantasy of a Mars state feels more reachable than ever. Can you envision sitting back while your vehicle drives you to your objective, completely all alone? In 2024, Tesla's independent driving innovation drew nearer to making that an everyday reality. With the send-off of the Model Y and Cybertruck this year, Musk took electric vehicles to another level. Tesla's independent driving tech has become more dependable and strong, making without hands driving more secure than ever. What in the event that virtual entertainment wasn't simply a spot to share, yet an entire environment in itself? Elon Musk's recently marked X stage did exactly that, turning out to be something beyond web-based entertainment. Presently, it's some call a super app. In 2024, Musk transformed X into a spot where content makers can adapt, fans can follow, and everybody approaches further developed, simulated intelligence, organized content suggestions. With X, Musk is changing the online entertainment rulebook. Have you at any point envisioned controlling a PC with simply your considerations? Elon Musk's Neuralink innovation, intended to straightforwardly associate your cerebrum with PCs, could make this a reality soon. In 2024, Neuralink entered human preliminaries, making mind-PC interfaces one bit nearer to the real world. These small gadgets may before long assist individuals with loss of motion recapture autonomy. And who can say for sure? At some point, we could be generally connected just by thinking. So, how did Elon Musk rethink innovation in 2024? Furthermore, what could we at any point anticipate from him in 2025? Is it true that you are prepared to observe the following time of development?